calculate the mass percent of different elements present in sodium sulphate Na2SO4. Now, what is mass percent? I hope you understand percent, right? We get percentage marks in school exams also. Now, or board exams for that matter. So, all we need to do is, first we have to find out what is the mass of each element in sodium sulphate. Sodium sulphate, just let me write down what all do I have? I have sodium, yes, then I have sulfur and I have oxygen. Sodium, sulfur, oxygen. Fine. Number of atoms in a molecule, yeah, formula unit. How many atoms of sodium are there? Na2. So 2 atoms of sodium, 1 atom of sulfur and 4 atoms of oxygen. Atomic mass. Sodium is 23, sulfur is 32, oxygen is 16. Oh, how do you know this? I remember this. How do we get this? Eventually you will come to remember this, but you also have a table of atomic masses. From there you can see, and this is a data you have to get from there. Okay. Now, 1 atom of sodium is 23 units, AMU, right? Now, if I have 2 atoms, how much would that be? So, then you have mass of an element. If I want to calculate this, mass of a given element within 1 formula unit of sodium sulphate, what would that be? 2 into 23. 1 atom is 23 AMU. There are 2 atoms. What do? I multiply them. So I have 23 into 2, which is 46. 32 into 1, which is 32. And 16 into 4, which is 64. Fascinating. So if I just add them up, this comes out to be 142. Out of total 142 units, 46 units is the mass of sodium, 32 units is the mass of sulfur, and 64 units is the mass of oxygen. Can I calculate the percentage? Yes, I can. Percentage by mass is mass of any one thing divided by total mass, divided by total mass into 100. That is the formula. The percentage by mass of sodium is 46 by 142 into 100. 32 upon 142 into 100 is percentage by mass of sulfur, and percentage by mass of oxygen would be 64 by 142 into 100. Oh wow. And as I calculate, I get around 32.4% sodium, 22.5% sulfur and 45.1% oxygen. You might say that I've calculated separately and given you the answer. Yes, because we needed an accurate answer. If you want to learn the tricks of calculation, although it's a part of mathematics, but it is very valuable in chemistry, I could give you some hint. How did I do the calculations? Rough, quick calculations. See, I remember that 1 by 7 is 0.1414. Okay. And 1 by 14 is 0.0707. This is one rough calculation I remember. Okay. Now, the moment I get 142, please note, I am just trying to teach you approximate quick calculations so that you can get, at least you can cross-check roughly, is this the correct answer or not. So, 1 by 14 is so much, fine. So, had I had 1 by 140, this would have been one more 0, right? And I have this multiplied by 100. So, if I have 100 by 140, it would be 0.7. It would be 0.707070, like this. But I have 142. That is what I'm saying. Take something close. This is something which I remembered. So now 142, the moment I take, if I increase the denominator a little, the numerator goes down a little. So instead of 0.707, I say approximately it will be 0.7. So roughly 100 upon 142 would come out to be approximately 0.7. So what I need to do, I have to multiply 46 by 0.7, which is a very easy calculation. 7 6 are 42, 7 4 are 28, 32. I get roughly approximately 32.2%. Accurately, it is 32.4%. I'm very close, as you can see. Similarly, 32 by 142, which is, that would be 32 into 0.7 or 64 into 0.7. Approximate values also, if you want, you can get. But if you want more accurate, you have to do it, of course, more accurately. Done?